Hi guys, I've got a bit of a bee in my bonnet. Hey, you know what I'm like with the muzzles. I've done analysis on 11 of them. Well, I put a link in under the upload to a Slovak Republic test sticks testing. I've saved it actually because you can't get to it. I'll show you why. 1 second. It's terrible me trying to work this. It really is. Um, let's put that on. There we are. Site can't be reached. Doesn't exist anymore. Golocaproject.org. I'll just get that. So, what the hell are you meant to do with it? I'm using OBS Studio, so I'm struggling a bit with this. Right, bear with me. Right, I'm back. So anyway, here's the actual PDF that I downloaded of it. My download was 22nd of April 2021. Right. It says analysis of test sticks from surface testing in the Slovak Republic. Confirmation of genocide. There we are. Keywords: nylon, DARPA hydrogel, lithium, and pineal gland. That's that bit. Right. I'm not going all the way through this. I'll spare you that. The analysis was performed in the months November 2020 to March 2021 on test sticks in sets. Then it lists which they are. Alright, now it's a brilliant analysis, it really is. It goes through everything to do with the swabs. It's PCR nasal swabs, nasopharyngeal swabs. But the bit I want off this, I'll get to it eventually, I'm terrible with it. Right, go after that. Here we are. Down at the end it says DARPA Hydrogel hollow nylon fibres fill the FFP2 class plastic respirators. This DARPA hydrogel with additives is slowly released from the respirators. When breathing, it enters the human airways. The swabs used for PCR are also composed of hollow nylon fibres with DARPA hydrogel. This is the graphene oxide stuff again. Right. Now, this, I've got a load of them. I've already done 11 of them and uploaded them elsewhere and wherever. YouTube don't like it for medical misinformation, but what the hell. Anyway, what I'm going to do, I'll go on a mission again with them this time. I've got a glove on this time, not that I should really bother. Because I got the damn thing stuck in my fingerprints last time. But they'll be everywhere now. I think the whole place needs hoovering if we can ever get rid of the damn things again, if we can ever find them. Anyway, I've got that. That's doesn't say where it is. They all originate in China, except one which was Blue Tree Group? Yeah, from Rotherham. I think it was one of the first ones they did. That was from West Park Hospital in Darlington. Now, saying that, it's the same material, so do they get the material from China? I don't know, I couldn't find it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try and amputate the damn things off these. So I've got a bag full as well. I'm so lucky, aren't I? Can't stand them. I've got loads of them. But I need them out of the way. And this is going to take me quite a while to do, because just see how we get on with the video. I'm going to isolate them. I doubt we'd even be able to see them in that after there's about 100 in there. I don't know. There's none in at the moment. But I'm thinking of getting them off there somehow and putting them in this, holding them captive. And these are going in the bin, of course, you know, because I'm not wearing them no matter what. Blue-white thingies. And I'm going to be using the trusted microscope. Pop that out of the way. That horrible thing. I'm going to be using the microscope and see what I can get. I'll fill other bits in if I come across. So, like I say, it's going to take me ages. Today we're 1st of December 2022. It's 3 o'clock. Little one's coming out of school. I'm not going to get out done today. I don't know when I'll be able to again, because well, we have cats and I tend to get covered in cat hairs generally. Anyway, right, thanks for watching so far, and well, bear with us if you could please. Thanks a lot. See you. Bye guys.